Hi students, good morning. Welcome in our class. Today I am going to tell you such a nice story. That story's name is Aesop Fables. Fables means a short stories or message for us. That Aesop Fables, it means one is Aesop. Aesop means a one person. It is believed that hundreds of years ago a person first told story, that is the Aesop, and hundreds of years ago he lived in Greece. Now fables means a short stories or message for us that we keep in mind as we grow up. Then we follow this moral, we learn something and do better. Okay, now today I am going to tell you one nice story. That name is The Stag at the Pool. That story is going to get Aesop fables have known that going to tell generation to generation, like grandparents to parents, parents to us, like our grandmother telling nice stories, and from that stories we learn something better. When I was child, that time my grandmother tell me nice stories like pumpkin and grandmother, like Arjun's stories. Do you know, in Ramayana, Mahabharata, that also so nice stories have. Okay, if you have grandmother, mother, then you also say to them, tell a nice stories. If you heard these nice stories, then you also learn something better. Okay, now today you can learn one nice story, and from this story I think and I hope you also learn better. Okay, this story I am going to start. The Stag at the Pool. One day a beautiful stag came to a pool of clear water. As he bent down to drink, he saw his own reflection in the water. He was delighted with what he saw. Instead of drinking water, he kept looking at his own reflection. It means this is a stag. Okay, and you can see this water. That stag went to pool. That time he bent down for drinking water, and he saw that he was his own reflection. He was just thinking how beautiful he was. How handsome I look, he said to himself. It means that stag was thinking he was very handsome. How beautiful are these curving antlers. You can see his curving antlers. This is antlers. How they add to my beauty. How graceful they look. That stag was thinking that antlers was very beautiful, and that antlers, because of antlers, his beauty grows. That's why he was looking so beautiful. Next, he was just thinking. Listen carefully, that so many stories are just like animals how thinking. Depend on that only. So that here is one stag, and he was thinking. He was so beautiful. He was looking his own reflection in water. Then he moved nearer and saw his leg reflected in the pool. When he moved nearer, it means he was wandering here, and just he saw his leg reflected in the pool. he was quite disgusted. It means he was disturbed. Look at my legs. He was thinking. He said, look at my legs. Oof, they are so ugly. That stag was thinking that his leg was so ugly, all spindly with small feet. It means he was never proud for his leg, that is so small. How I wish that nature had given me legs worthy of my stately antlers. He was just thinking, he was wishing that how his antlers are curving and straight. Same that his leg also, big legs he want. Stately antlers, how is there? Same his leg also like antlers. Next he was thinking, as he was brooding in this way, the stag heard an arrow going to swish across the pool. Listen carefully. He was thinking, he was so beautiful, his leg is not good, his leg was ugly. That time he was thinking, but at the same time he heard that someone like a hunter's arrow was going to swish across the pool. At the same time, he picked up the scent of hunters. With a quick turn, he bounded away, he ran away. His leg carried him swiftly into the forest. Because of these legs, he can move fastly and he can reach the forest. The hunters were hot on his trail, but they were no match for his speed. It's because that stag's speed is so much fast than a arrow. Because of his feet, he can move fastly, and that's why he can reach forest. Soon the stag left the hunters far behind. It means because of legs, he can go away from that place, but hunters can't move away. That stag speed and hunter speed different. That's why stag can run away. Safe and out of the hunter's reach, the stag slowed down. It means the stag slowly his speed was decreased. Suddenly, without realizing it, he walked into a thicket. It means he never understand what is going on. Slowly he went in a thicket. Thicket means very dark, very much high trees. There were trees with strong branches growing close together. Thicket means very close together. All trees is there. That's why that is a thicket. And alas, the same antlers of which he was so proud got caught in the thick growth. That stag was very proud for his antlers, but because of so many plants standing close together, that's why his antlers caught in thicket. Thicket means so many branches, so many trees together standing, that is called thicket. The stag tried to shake himself free, but the more he struggled, the more entangled his antlers got in the branches. Look here, that stag is trying to free from that branches, but when he try again and again, his antlers again and again got in branches and grew afraid. At last, with great difficulty, again and again he trying his best, then he managed to free his antlers and bounded away. So many tries after he free from that branches. Now, look at this. I realize now that my ugly feet saved my life. It means because of that ugly legs, small legs, he can run away from hunters and save his life. But he was so proud of these handsome antlers. but they would have been the cause of my death. That stag was thinking. Because of that antlers, that is the cause of his death. If that antlers not free from that branches, then he would be die. He would be dead. Very often we dislike the very things that are most useful to us. And this is a message for us. We dislike the very things that are most useful to us. It means so many useful things have that we dislike, but they are so useful. It means from this story we learn what that stag never like his legs because they are so short and not looking handsome. That's why he disliked these legs. But that legs saved his life from the hunter. And he was so proud for his antlers. Okay, this is antlers. But because of antlers, he caught in thicket. And he would be died. But unfortunately, he free from this thicket. So many after difficulties, so many tries after, he solved this problem. But who saved this life? Because of short legs. He ran away and he can save his life. But he was so proud for his antlers. But this proud antlers can save his life? No. That is difficulty for his own life. Okay. Now, which word you feeling difficult that you write and bahad the spelling, and which word you never understand what is the meaning of that word, then you write in comment box. If you understand this story, then you tell me how you like this story. Okay, and write difficult word and send me on our group. Okay, and you also tell me which dislike things that is very useful to our life. Okay, we will meet next video. Bye.